How to recover Instagram account without email and phone number. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Chrome and search I can't log in to my Instagram and then click on the first link that pops up. Click on recover your Instagram password and then click on visit this page at the bottom. After you've clicked on visit this page, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply choose app or Chrome. Then click on my account was hacked and press on next. After that, simply add your username, phone number or email. In our case, simply add username and then press on next. After that, you'll find all these ways. Click on try another way. Then click on my account was hacked and then press on next. You can click on yes, take a selfie video to confirm my account. And then add your email. Code will be sent to your email. Simply add the code and then press on next. After that, you will need to take a video selfie of yourself to verify it's you. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to recover Instagram account without email and phone number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.